Do you ever feel like you're meant for something bigger, but some hidden part of you is still asleep? Well, it's time to wake up the part of you with unlimited manifesting potential. Deep inside, you have an incredible ability to turn desires into reality. Call it your inner wisdom, higher self, soul, whatever resonates. The key is tuning into this power. It starts with listening to your intuition and following your excitement. Have you ever had a gut feeling guide you, or insights pop into mind out of nowhere? That's your inner manifesting genius sending you clues. Pay attention to what makes you feel energized and enthusiastic. Your inner self is guiding you there. Start paying more attention through practices like meditation. Spend time in nature. Do what helps you hear your inner voice. Capture the messages by writing them down. Then reflect on how you can apply those insights in your life. For example, if you get the nudge to reach out to an old friend, follow through. Actively listening and responding shows your inner wisdom that you're ready to partner in manifesting. Trust that this inner self knows what's best for you. It can guide you toward desires that serve your highest good. When you trust your inner wisdom, your manifestations will feel right and make you feel whole. Don't ignore any uneasy feelings. Those are clues you may be manifesting something misaligned. So treat this inner potential like a seed and nourish it daily. Water it by taking small intuitive steps. With patience and consistency, you'll notice this ability growing stronger. In time, you'll be able to easily tune into it for guidance on any desire or decision. When you align with your inner manifesting power, anything is possible. Believe in your unlimited potential. Desires turn into reality when you connect with the magic inside you. Remember, you already have everything you need within. Be open and willing to awaken your gifts. As Earl Nightingale said, all you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. You have the courage within. Follow the wisdom of your inner roadmap. Comment below if you know where you're headed on your roadmap. Now that you're tuning into your inner manifesting potential, let's get you into the right mindset. Your thoughts and beliefs determine what you're capable of manifesting. Limiting beliefs block your power, but you can shift your energy and mindset to align with your desires. It starts with noticing your thoughts. Do you think you don't deserve what you want? That it's unrealistic? These thoughts send out the wrong energy. They act like clouds blocking the sun of your true manifesting ability. Instead, focus on gratitude for what you already have. Send out positive energy by imagining your desire as already real. Feel what it's like to already have it and enjoy it fully. This feeling is your manifesting rocket fuel. Also, change how you talk to yourself. Replace self-doubt and negative self-talk with affirmations of your limitless potential. You control your inner dialogue. Make it work for you. Make it a habit to counter any negative thought with a positive one. Finally, take aligned action. Your desires manifest through inspired action, not just wishing. Take inspired action by subscribing to us for daily uplifting content that'll help you along the way. Other than that, take small steps each day that feel intuitively guided. Don't just daydream. Actively move toward your goals and watch the momentum build. Stick with these mindset shifts even when you slip back into old thought patterns. Redirect your thoughts and energy back to positivity. With practice, it gets easier. Your effort pays off through the magic of your manifested desires. Adding physical movement is also key. As Tony Robbins says, motion creates emotion. Go for a walk, dance, do yoga. Get your body moving to shift your energy. Creating positive emotions gets you into the manifesting vibration. One roadblock to manifesting is limited beliefs about what's possible. These jagged beliefs also create self-fulfilling prophecies, but in an undesirable direction. The good news is you can upgrade your beliefs and massively expand your reality in the right direction. For example, notice any beliefs you have about money being scarce. There's never enough, or I'll never get ahead. Your current money situation reflects this scarcity mindset. Catch yourself when repeating old, limiting thought patterns around money or anything else. Stop the thought spiral and consciously replace it with an empowered narrative. Do this practice daily. There's never enough money becomes I welcome increasing abundance. I'm stuck in this job becomes new opportunities are coming my way. Feel what it's like to believe this new story. Make it a habit to redirect your thoughts to an empowered mindset. In time, you reprogram your beliefs by consistently focusing your thoughts, words, and energy. An easy way to shift beliefs is tapping into your younger, more imaginative self who believed anything was possible. Embrace those wild dreams again. Let go of cynicism and tap into your innate sense of wonder. Your beliefs create filters that can either limit or massively expand what you're able to manifest. The choice is yours. Stretch your beliefs and your reality will stretch to match them. Think bigger than you ever have before. As Henry Ford said, whether you think you can or you can't, you're right. Expand your thinking and anything becomes possible. Here's another great belief upgrade. Start seeing yourself as lucky and deserving. When you expect good fortune, you attract it. Look back at the blessings and miracles you've experienced. Realize luck and abundance are your natural state. The universe wants you to thrive. See manifestations as fun surprises landing in your lap. From this playful, optimistic place, desires naturally gravitate into your life. Here's the key. You manifest desires by aligning your energy with what you want to create. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions all send out energy. When your energy is positive, grateful, and focused on your desire, you send the universe a transmission saying, I'm ready to receive this, and the universe will respond accordingly. But sending out negative energy through complaining, resentment, or jealousy blocks your manifestation. The universe picks up on that frequency too. Your energy is your manifesting magnet. So observe when your energy is misaligned. Release toxic emotions and thought patterns. Redirect your thoughts to feel the positive emotions of already having your desire now. That's a crucial part of this all. Feeling like you have what you want now, and I want you to subscribe so you can consistently be reminded daily. Also, use your imagination to visualize your desire in vivid detail. Play it like a movie in your mind. Feel how good it feels to have this desire manifest. This inner world is the blueprint for what manifests externally. Finally, inspired action creates momentum. Take steps each day to work toward your desires, even small ones. Build momentum with consistent action aligned with your desired outcome. You become what you think about and give energy to. So make sure your predominant thoughts, feelings, and actions are aligned with your desire. The rest unfolds organically. To amplify your manifesting power, also align your energy through spiritual practices. As Wayne Dyer said, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. Meditation, prayer, chanting, yoga, being in nature, these all raise your vibration. Your daily spiritual rituals keep your frequency tuned to receive your desires. Finally, learn to surrender and trust the timing of the universe. Avoid forcing outcomes or obsessively chasing goals. Just breathe and know all that is meant for you will unfold. From this relaxed state, desires flow. As you master manifesting your desires, you may notice certain ones feel forced or inauthentic. That's because deep down, you're trying to manifest things you think you should want rather than what you actually want. For example, wishing for fame when deep down you just want to share your art without pressure, or wanting to be rich just for status when you actually desire freedom and fulfillment. So an important step is checking that your desires ring true for the unique, amazing person that you are, not who society expects you to be. You want to manifest your authentic self. Make a list of all the quirky things you secretly love, even if others don't understand them. the desires you think are impractical but light you up. These hold clues from your inner self about your true passions. Start welcoming those suppressed parts of you back without judgment. Give yourself permission to go after dreams that seem wildly out of the ordinary. Your inner genius knows that an unconventional path is right for you. Your inner wisdom knows your unique path to feeling fulfilled. By manifesting your true desires and self-expression, you'll feel joy and freedom. You already have everything within to create an amazing life. So let go of outside expectations and don't compare yourself to others. Your authentic manifestations come from listening within. Honor your uniqueness and manifest the magical life that is truly yours. Here are some additional ways to reconnect with your authentic self. Start spending time alone. Solitude helps you detach from other people's ideals and tune into your inner truth. Be with your thoughts, feelings, and dreams. Let your magic speak to you. Comment below to let us know how you'll apply this to your life right away. Express yourself creatively. Paint, sing, write, craft, any activity that lets your inner spirit flow freely. See what hidden gems want to emerge when you let go. Go on adventures. Explore new places, ideas, and activities. Adventures jolt you out of your habitual thoughts and reawaken your sense of wonder and possibility. Nurture your weird side. Do those quirky things that light you up, even if you've suppressed them. Being normal is overrated. Your weirdness is part of your unique essence. Wear what feels good. Choose clothes that express your authentic self, not just what looks cool. When you feel comfortable, it's easier to shine your true colors. Make your home environment uniquely you. Decorating in your style surrounds you with reflections of your essence. Your home can be your sanctuary of self-expression. Release people-pleasing. Stop worrying about what others think of you. Their expectations will only suppress your inner wisdom. Permit yourself to be unapologetically you. When you let your inner light guide you, manifestations get exciting. You stop chasing other people's dreams and naturally create the reality your soul seeks. Your gifts want to be expressed and received in their fullest form. Allow your beautiful weirdness to lead the way. The world needs your unique spark.